Are you on the bus? Good morning. It's 10K day. We're waiting on the coach bus that goes from Coronado to the starting line.
This has been the most responsible we've ever been.
We went to bed at
7:42.
Woke up at 2. James just woke up. It's like just before 3.
It's Carolyn's first runDisney! I'm keeping my mask on just because it's warmer.
We're here, Jamesy! It's a little chilly! Oh no! Oh no! Ben got a pizza cone?
It's a pepperoni
This is
cone.
gonna feel his
Yes!
spectatorship.
Carolyn got coffee.
Yep.
I got hot chocolate. At least, I mean, it's not raining, but this mist is...
The wind is terrible.
Yeah. Okay, so for photo ops today, they have the Queen of Hearts throne and cool cars on the side. And then the Nautilus over here. That is so stinking cool.
We're in the runners only section now because we're cool.
VIPs.
But we are parting ways and we're gonna go huddle with strangers to stay warm. I'm on my own now. I'm going to the one. These start groups are strange to me. They seem massive. There's only 4. But there's like waves in the middle of it. So I don't know. Me getting to the corral later than I typically would will be interesting. I'm going to see how it looks. I might have to throw some elbows to get my way through. But we will figure it out. The race starts at 45. It's not as bad today. It's drier, which is the best. But it's windy.
I'm a product of the stars igniting a light beam. The split between dreams and snares of nice kicks. I'm a product of the stars igniting a light beam. I'm a product of the stars igniting a light beam. I'm a product of this product of this product of this product of this product.
Woohoo! Woo! Go Carolyn! Go Carolyn!
Oh yeah, we're about 1.5 miles in. It's cold, I can see my breath, but look who it is. The Pumpkin King. Yes, also Maleficent was earlier. But, chugging along, feeling great. Uh-oh. And we got Pokey Pokey. Look at that. Woo-hoo. All right, here we go, heading in the studios. But check it out. The main devilish man himself, Hades. Just past the 5K mark. Here's where the really fun begins because we go studios into Crescent Lake, into Epcot, to the finish line. Boo freaking yeah. Woo! Oh, come on, look at this. Sunset Boulevard, baby. Woo! Look at this spooky Chernobog. Nice. Look at that. Woo! Coming up on home course advantage right here, coming up on Crescent Lake. Pass through a little bit of studios. Going to hang out with my favorite running place into World Showcase. Just past mile 4. I think Sarah and friends are gonna miss me at the finish, but that's okay. We got a lot of friends that supported the start line today. Here we go, Boardwalk.
Yeah! Go Katie, go!
Check it out, the barges are on. This creepy dude. Ooh. Such a snob. All right, just gotta finish that World Showcase and then we're done. It started raining, but it was a great run. I wasn't gonna vlog to the end. But look what they lit up today. Woo! Look how beautiful. Spacious birthdays. What is this? How can you not just bask in glory? Look at this thing. Woo! Oh, look, they even got construction crews out taking photos. This is why it's taking forever to finish this. They're busy taking photos when they should be finishing our wonderful park. Just kidding. Look at that! Look at, all right, I gotta finish this. 10K's over. That was a fun run. I gotta get my medal. Go find my ACS people while I wait for my other finisher friends. Look at that medal. Woo, baby. That is nice. All right, here I am at the finish line, going to find Jenna and ACS. Carolyn should be finishing in about 25 minutes. It is getting cold. This wind is just the worst, and the rain's picking back up. Hi, baby.
Look who we found. He did it. Yeah.
I'm sick of this rain
and
wind.
We didn't see him at the finish, but I'm happy ACS was there to cheer you on. We all got ready. Me and James took a little snooze. James is actually still sleeping, Peter. And we're headed to Magic Kingdom, but I don't think we're going in the park. We originally had some time to go in the park, but the stroller is just so James needed a nap. So we just napped in the room instead of taking him on the go. We're going to the Contemporary for lunch. So we are at Steakhouse 71 for lunch, and they have all these beautiful photos of early Disney World. Look at these, the original gondolas. A very nice waitress at the Steakhouse gave James a glow cube. Oh no. Steve is with us today.
What you got?
He got a glow cube.
Oh, you gonna ride with the boys?
All right, Steve drove me and James. Steve's staying with us. We thought we were racing the Erhardts and Sarah to Wilderness Lodge. We thought we beat them because they weren't in the lobby. Then Ben texted me they're in the gift shop. So we lost.
Crazy.
How did Uber beat us?
I don't know, man.
See, I did not know this pond existed.
Wow.
That's what threw me off when you sent me the pictures. I was like, wait.
I just saw a monorail. This is Carolyn and Ben's view. Their room. Come on. This is like the best view of all time.
Drop it in Erhardt whenever you check in.
Behind their bed, they got Chip and Dale. These rooms have been redone. And here they have Bambi. Oh. Do you like it?
Yeah.
That's a nice one, right?
Yeah. This day feels never ending. We're at Disney Springs. We're gonna check for something for Monday that I don't think we told you about yet.
Yeah, so
then,
checking at World of Disney for that.
And then we have an ACS like team dinner at Blaze that Steve is just crashing.
Which like I didn't think we were gonna be coming here. Like I'm happy that we have a little bit of time here before.
Yeah,
so
we had
can
no
enjoy
plans
it.
to come to Disney Springs.
Yeah, you guys know how much we love it.
All the Christmas trees?
Yeah, all the Christmas trees from the Christmas tree trail are around. It's
busy.
It is busy. This is a new tree. It's for the 50th anniversary. You can see the iridescent beacons of light. Look at this place. Look at this banner.
So you guys know I never become prepared. Steve, on the other hand, is ultra prepared. So he's demanding I go get food for the morning and snacks for the morning. Because he was like, hey, what's your game plan in the morning? Like, here's all my food and my snacks and my gadgets and gizmos. And I was like, I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna put on my shoes, and I'm gonna show up. And he's like, you're gonna die.
Yeah.
Let's go get some food. So
Carbs in there?
we're running over to the main building. I think Steve just wanted an excuse to go walk around this resort.
Yeah. I just didn't want to be around Sarah anymore.
It's true. She smells. And James is rude. No, we're gonna go get some food for them actually too, for the morning. And then get ready for bed.
There's 3 bushes.
We're mostly ready for the night or the morning.
Excuse me.
We have ABD on the TV for the 1000th time. Steve is abducting my son.
You're trying to grab my beard. You're trying to grab my beard.
And we're really concerned about daylight savings time with the start time because we want to get up at 2, but daylight saving begins at 2. Or we want to get up at 1:45, but daylight saving begins at 2.
They realize that the world is
Sarah?
on the other side. Yes.
Say it.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.